Hey everybody, Marty here with Camping Forever, and in this video I'm going to be doing some camping, but I'm at a campsite, campground type. Oh, let me see if I can catch that. Hey little fella. Anyway, I'm going to be at a campsite in a campground area, and I decided not to bring the bunkhouse because I wanted to do some tent camping. Anyway guys, this ought to be a real interesting video. Anyway, we'll be right back at you, and we'll get on with this trip. Alright, well I got everything set up over here. I'll show you around a little bit. Got these little stairs leading down. Got my tent. Got some squirrels over there. Cooking, everything set up. There's my fire pit. I'll be ready for the night. Got my chair out. Nice wooded lot over here. In a little while, I'm going to go do some hiking, maybe some fishing, and get a better look at this place. Man, I don't know what's going on with all these butterflies over here, but they sure are pretty. This is my fishing spot down here. I don't know what these guys are doing. Well, whatever it is, I guess I'll leave them alone. Let them do it. Alright, let's see what we can do with this. This is the spot where I caught that fish off that bamboo pole last time. Right there is where I caught him. fishing didn't work out too well, so let's take a little walk through the woods. We'll take a little hike down here. This is a pretty cool little trail. It's called the Huckleberry Trail. Not sure why. But we got the lake over there on the other side. So we're just going to wander down this path a little bit. And it's supposed to be a complete loop around here. Yeah, there's I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the lake over there, right through the trees. I'm gonna turn you around so you can see. I'm not sitting here looking at my ugly mug. Here in a minute, I'll turn you around, but this is talking about muscadines. I grew up on these things. Make muscadine wine, muscadine jelly, all kinds of stuff with a muscadine. Just one of the many perks of living in the South. There's the lake down there. Looks like they did a controlled burn over here. They burn a lot of the small stuff down where it can come back nice and green again. Revitalize the place a little bit. Yep. Looks like they made a fire break right there just to keep it from getting out of control. Yeah, there's a lake down there. That's where I was just fishing a minute ago. We looped all the way around from back there. Looped all the way around the lake. Now the lake's on this side. Right off through there. And I'm not as young as I used to be. We're gonna go ahead and head back now. Sure is pretty out here. They did all these controlled burns and everything's gonna come back better than it was before. Let's keep on going. I know I'm still on the right trail. They've got the blazes set up on the trees right there. So it would be pretty hard to get lost in here. It splits off right here, and I think that goes back to the parking lot. But I'm gonna keep going this way a little bit and just see where this leads to. Because this is oh, there's a lake right. We must be on a piece of land sticking out there in the lake. because there's a lake on that side of me now, and there's a lake right there too. So I'm not real sure how that works, but we're gonna come right down here. There's another sign. We'll check it out and see what it says. I guess the right word for it would be peninsula, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, now I've got lake on both sides of me. We got this sign right here. What does this say? Sweet gum. Sweet gums are most often found in the bottomland areas of the forest. Fragrant shaves. Okay. Chewing gum by Indians and early settlers. Alrighty. Yeah, there's a lake right there. That's pretty cool. So I would imagine this trail here loops right around to where I was over there. No sense in doing it again, right? Let's head back and take this cutoff up here, and we'll go around and probably end up somewhere over in that area. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go. Keep it moving. All right, man. I like this trail. It's called the Huckleberry Trail. This is some good exercise for me, I tell you that much. I need it too. Get myself back in shape again one day. But here we go. Here's this cutoff up here. So we're going to take this cutoff and head on back to camp. See what's going on around there tonight. I got some pretty cool dinner plans. Not sure if I'm going to do it on the fire or on my little stovetop. I was inventorying some of my camping stuff today, and my garage is slap full of camping gear. Now I've got tents. I've got 3 or 4 tents, canopies, 3 or 4 cooking stoves. Man, I got all kinds of stuff. I gotta get in there and go through it all, see what all I got. Probably got more stuff than I'll ever use, but now that I've switched my camping styles a little bit, I might get to use some of that stuff. I'm really enjoying this tent camping, and I like that campsite I had the other day back in the woods where I had to hike into it and roll my little red cart. I like that. And I was going to do it this time, but I was a little pressed for time and couldn't get out here and get it done. There was a campsite over there, but it was like straight uphill, and I just straight uphill for quite some time, for quite a ways, and I just didn't think I was ready for that kind of hike just yet. So I went with the site that I've got now, which is an electric site, primarily for RVs and campers and stuff like that. But you can also set tents up on them, and you know, that's allowed. So that's what I did. I think some of my neighbors think I'm crazy going to an RV site without an RV, setting my little tent up. But I like it. Now I am gonna be in the bunkhouse some too. Mostly when my dad comes camping with me, we'll take the bunkhouse or something like that. But I'm not done with it. I'm just experimenting different things, trying some new things. But they did that controlled burn back there to bring everything back and make it look better when it does start growing back. Howdy.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Meeting people on the trail sometimes. Other hikers with their dogs and stuff. But yeah, this is a cool little trail. I'm gonna have to be doing this some more. I'll have to check my watch and see how far I've gone today. See how long this hike was. And it looped all the way back around, so here I am coming back on the. There's my truck right over there. So we'll walk back over to that. Man, this has been fun today. Had a good day. The Lord blessed me with some good weather. It's in the 50s today. It's not real warm, but it ain't cold enough for a jacket either. I just got my long sleeve shirt on. So thank you, Lord, for that. All right, here we are at the end. Finally at the end of the trail. All right, guys. I'll see you back at camp. Well, we've reached the end of the evening here. The sun's gone down on that side over there, and I got a little fire going. Here in just a minute, I'm gonna make some dinner, but right now I'm just enjoying the peace and quiet. And I want to show you this little clip because the people next to me have this RC car, and they had it out. They had it out playing with it a little bit, so I'm gonna pop this clip in here. Check this out. Now that was just cool. That was a lot of fun. He played with that thing for a while and made that thing do wheelies and flips and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, it's time to get some dinner going.
Nobody saw that. Now do it. This was a disaster.
Now I'm going to add some washer sister sauce if I can find it.
Here it is.
And just so everybody knows, this is not Worcestershire or whatever. It's washer sister sauce. Just so you know. Worcestershire, whatever. Oh,
You gotta take the tab off.
Have Google and enunciate it.
Enunciate it?
Yeah,
Pronounce it?
either way.
We're country around here.
both ways gets the job done, right?
Same difference.
All right, now I'm cooking up some, well, you can't see it, can you? It's too dark. Hold on a minute. Well, you probably still can't see it, can you?
There you go.
There we go. Bush's Baked Beans, original.
I love beans. I'll eat them straight out of the can.
I need the weenies. You have them.
No, I want the weenies. That's why I get the bean weenie.
All right, well, I'm gonna show everybody how to make the perfect redneck burrito. Take your tortilla, put your cheese on it, but a tortilla this size, you gotta have two.
You want me to open it? You're running
Yeah.
out of hands.
I have an assistant with me tonight.
Hi.
Cassie and Jonathan showed up.
Oh, I lost it.
I'll hold it.
Pass it on to the next one.
Assistant, but not very good.
Not a good one.
We got 6 hands in here to make one
All right.
burrito.
There we go.
Okay, my turn. Go back. Give it back.
You don't want to learn.
Now, I'm gonna put some of this meat with washer sister sauce on it.
You forgot the sour cream, Dad.
And then some beans. And a little more of this. And that is your perfect redneck burrito.
You know it's good when it's dripping all the grease off of it.
Yeah, buddy.
You got to show the technique to that, too. Not folding technique.
Just fold it up any way you can.
Keep all the stuff in it.
All right. The perfect redneck burrito.
Home assembly required.
Y'all don't want to watch me do this. All right, well, I'm pretty set up here. I've got my air mattress. It's time to go to bed. So I'm gonna sack out for tonight. Got my buddy heater over there in case I need it. Don't think I will, but in case I do, it's there. And I'm gonna crash out, and I'll see y'all in the morning. We're gonna do some breakfast and pack up and get out of here. So until then, good night. Good morning. Oh man, it's cold. It's cold. But it's time to get up. Get up and get some breakfast. All right, well, it was a good trip. It's time to go home now. I got packed up and got everything done. This video is running way long. Just so much material, so much to film, but I had to cut it all up and chop it up and just to make it fit. But anyway, guys, it's been a great time. I just got the campsite cleaned up. Always leave it clean. Always leave it clean. So guys, thank you for watching. And if you enjoy this type of stuff, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell notification to let you know when I post new videos. Until next time, stay safe, happy, healthy, and free, and we'll catch you on the next trip. See you guys.